Welcome back, pasta lovers. Today, we're making a super easy, tasty spaghetti bolognese. Here's a simple yet mouth-watering recipe you'll love. Let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll need. 340 grams of spaghetti, 450 grams of ground beef, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 400 grams of crushed tomatoes, 120 milliliters red wine, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, salt and ground black pepper. Alright, let's start with the spaghetti by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Add a teaspoon of salt to the boiling water. Then add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions, or until the pasta reaches your desired level of tenderness. Once the spaghetti is done, drain the spaghetti and set it aside. Now, we're ready to focus on the delicious bolognese sauce. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan and heat it over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook it for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it becomes softened and golden brown. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute, or until the garlic becomes fragrant and lightly golden. Add the ground beef, breaking it apart until it's fully browned and releases its savory juices. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour in the red wine and scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Let it cook down for about 3 minutes. Pour in the crushed tomatoes, stirring to ensure everything blends together and the flavors meld. Then add the oregano and basil, and let it cook for 20 minutes. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Look at this, a delicious, hearty bolognese sauce over the spaghetti. Garnished with fresh basil and a generous sprinkle of parmesan if you like. And that's it, the perfect spaghetti bolognese. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time.